you would normally thread this in. This particular pedal goes the opposite way.
Really? Okay, well, I'm gonna put on some pedals. I don't really know. Okay. I don't really know how to do it.
He's gonna learn, I know.
I know how to do it without one.
That's to tighten it.
Oh. Basically.
There's no light over here.
Oh, right.
You gotta go the other way. It's called a right-handed thread here, or left-handed thread.
There, these are matching pedals. Give me a break in.
You don't even break it.
Okay. Wait, what does it say? Park tool. Okay, next one.
You gotta take that pedal off.
Wait. Yep. And these are limited edition pedals, right?
Limited edition Odyssey donut pedals, just like your seat.
I'm gonna be big boy and say, just give me a shout out.
Big boy?
So, like Scotty Cranmer said in the video yesterday, like big boy always giving himself a shout out.
Oh.
I'm gonna do that right now. My Instagram. I'm just gonna put it
That was Corey Burglar that was stealing Scotty's phone.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, he would steal Scotty's phone and give himself a shout out on Scotty's Instagram. So it looked like Scotty was giving Corey Burglar an Instagram shout out, but really it was puppy arms.
That's right there.
What's right there? Oh, right here?
Yeah, somewhere right there.
Right there.
Even though it's
Yeah,
like on
right
the
there.
other
Maybe
side.
over there?
Where's the
Over here. No, why don't you put it right there?
or right.
I'll tell you where to put it. Now that turns the right way. The correct way. You know why they do that?
So because when you pedal a certain direction.
So your pedals don't fall out.
Yeah.
And that's the reason.
It's Walmart bike.
And that's the reason why we can't change your drive to the opposite side. Because we can't turn your cranks.
I want this on this side.
Yep, and it won't work.
So I can grind on the right side.
Yep.
And still.
Everybody can see the big scratch you put in your brand new bike.
I already posted that on Instagram just a second ago.
Doing dumb tricks, pretending it's a mountain bike even though he hates mountain bikes. Stopped it.
Well, it's still recording because I just put it back up. And I just put new pedals on. Hey!
Bring it over in the light so they can see it.
Okay, that's a good idea.
You want some help?
No. This way. Okay. We should put it on the table. I'm just kidding. This is the light. There, new pedals are on and they feel really cool. Hey, I haven't ridden it yet. Film me.
Film you riding through the house.
Yeah, they ride through the house really cool. Especially.
TV, internet, and voice for just $29.99 a month each with no contract. Call 844-575-2999.
They want to provide a creation that was simple, affordable, and respectful. There was absolutely no compromise with the
Whoa.
Do they feel like you can pedal faster?
I can crank flip ready. Oh, I did it outside. Maybe I can.
Maybe you should do it outside.
It's easy. It's actually easier when you're riding. Okay. Now what? Oh, it's
Peace. Oh wait, that's Scotty.
Wait, Scott Clisham?
Cranmer.
Okay.
That's his.
Alright, from now on,
Oh.
Scotty is Scotty Cramner, and Scott is Scott Cliffield. And he has 721 subscribers off a video I made. And go subscribe to his YouTube channel. It's called Hillbilly Vibes, and it has a picture of his racing dirt bike number, which is 68. So, yeah. I'm just gonna give you a Dad.
What?
Can we do a bike check?
You can.
Bike check 1 of this bike. Okay.
You want me to film it, or do you?
Yeah. I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna do my best because I don't know my cards right. Sideways, okay.
You want to do it this way? Okay, fine.
Yeah. So first, this is the We the People Reason 2018.
Hold on, Simon. Wait, you don't do this with TVs on in the background.
Right.
That's why Scott has 721 subscribers and you've got 20.
True. Well, when you just look them up, it says 721, but when you actually click on it, it says 250.
Ah.
260.
So they all subscribed just to see something and then unsubscribed.
Probably.
I don't know. I don't know how it works. Get on with your bike check.
Okay, so first we have the Odyssey donut seat. And it's limited edition, and it's a pivotal seat. And it says Odyssey, registered, something blah blah blah, and then it says MCMLXXXV. If you comment that, then you get $50 off on the next bike you buy.
This thing won't zoom in, won't focus on it.
Whatever. I'll put it in the description below.
I believe that's 2015, but
This bike?
no. MMC, that's Roman numerals for the year.
Oh. And then
And I couldn't see it, so I couldn't tell you what it
we got
was.
the We the People Reason bars for 2018. And they're black. For the purple one. And this isn't the pre-coaster, so they don't have 4-piece bars, which I want. And then brakes are salt, and they're destroyed because, I don't know, they still work. And then this beautiful cord with the brake thing, which is an Eclat or whatever. Eclat. And a We the People Reason BMX frame, which is purple. And has a big dent in the back, and it has welding marks, which are cool, and it needs to be cleaned, and yeah. And then forks for the People Reason 2018, I don't know. And salt, cold forged peg. Cold forged pegs. And a tennis ball, because I put tennis balls in my tires. Tires. They're kind of like, you see this part from right here to right here is actually the tire still. And no, I'm not tubeless. Got pop tubes. And these tires are tan and black, so that's what I was saying about them. Side of them are black. And then the Reason 2018 Reason blah blah blah. Right?
Mm-hmm. I think they're salt tires. I'm not sure.
And then salt hub. Front hub with nipples. No, salt plus brace. I forgot the name. Oh my god, I forgot the name of the
Rim?
rim. Yeah. And then the spokes, and then the nipples. And yeah. Same with the back one, the back of tennis ball. I only have pegs on one side. But we got crank, which is salt. Crank. Sprocket, which is salt. Well, I mean, these are salt cranks too, and then those new pedals I just put on. And a chain,
Looks loose.
which is kind of loose. Kind of. And yeah, so it's basically my bike. Bar spin! That's live on TV.
There you go.
That's live on TV. Okay, whatever. Yep. So, yeah. Like it, comment, and then subscribe. Because that's a good thing to do. Bye-bye.